Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Forgotten Gear Restorations. Not really an episode, but a little catch up from some work around 2 a.m. Why not? I had a little bit of energy. Why not take advantage of it and have a look at this 2014 Supro Thunderbolt. The owner got a little frisky with the tone pot and broke the shaft and inside of the pot body, so it was spinning freely. And that sent me on a very arduous journey of tracking down this very specific 16 millimeter pot body, 6 millimeter shaft diameter, dual gang 250K audio pot. No one seems to have them. But we'll locate one. Probably have to rifle through good old Mauser's catalog there. No biggie. But have a look here at the construction style. You've probably seen this before. And I will update you guys when I get that part in. It's just a little bit of a sneak preview. Don't forget to like and subscribe.